much days has it been in here, Henry? To my calculations, I think it's been a year and a half, maybe 2 years and a half. So, yeah, ever since he's bought that stupid hoover whirlwind, he literally threw us in the attic. I think it's time we get him back. Let's kill him. Well, Henry, I don't think we should kill him. Same. I don't think we should either. But I think we should. Remember what he's done to us? Used us and abused us. Yeah, I take it back. Let's kill him. Me too. Me three. Let's do this. Be quiet, he's coming. What should I do with these Henrys? I think I should throw them away. They've been in the attic for a long time. It's time to get rid of them. Maybe it's too cold out. It's a bit too rainy. So I think we'll wait tomorrow. He's gone. Thank God he's gone. Now, what should we do? I'm gonna go downstairs, okay? Okay. Alright, let's go. Let me go. Time. It's time to go down the stairs. Well, that was a crazy experience. I literally fell down the stairs and broke. My hat came off. Shh, he's coming. Hold up. I heard something. I'm busted. Abracadabra. Oh, pneumatic and V250. I need backup. Come downstairs in the bedroom beneath you. Meet me there. Oh, Henry. I think Henry needs backup. So let's go downstairs. It's time. We get revenge on him. Why is there a Henry here? Whoa! Hiya! Guys, calm down. I knocked him out on the bed. Alright, Henry, we're coming. I came down. Now it's time for him to come down. He forgot me. The moment we've been waiting for. Tie his legs up. One leg tied and finished. Oh my God. What the flip? I can't move. Oh my God. 3 Henrys. Hello, Ali. Come here, quick. No one can come because we have locked you up in these hoses. Now we're gonna kill you. Oh, they're gonna kill him. I've gotta save him. Now no one can save you. Bye-bye. No! Uh-oh. He's got my leg. Oh, he's got my neck. Get off. I'm dying. Get him, get him. More wire, more wire. Oh my god. He's tangling me up. He's tangled me up. He's tangled me up. I'm trying to get it off. He's got it. He's got my neck. I got it. Time to save him. Go quick, go quick. Guys, we killed Ali. Finally. No, you haven't. I'm gonna kill you. Hiya! 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 I've killed him. I saved Ali. Well then, Hoover, thank you. You've killed him. Now it's time to throw them away, like I shouldn't have done before. Let's go. Oh, let me get off my bed. Let's get out. Come on. Let's go. It's still not the end. I'm gonna save you guys. You and you. I'm gonna save all of you. Now, what should I do? I'll put them back together. Hold up. Hold up.